I'm going to try fishing on a really windy, cold, and nasty day. Okay, so I want to go fishing, and it's nasty out. I mean, it is just brutally nasty. It's windy. Fog's driving in wet like rain. So I put my little plastic screen up there to kind of block the wind and some of the driving rain. We'll roll up the other side of the sunshade there. We're going to fish right out the side in our secret fishing hole like we always do. Alright, stand by. Alright, so I rolled up the solar shade there and I got a little hole to fish through right there. And when we catch something, we can lift up the top there and fight it. Wish us luck, everybody. Alright, I'm using little circle hooks here. You can see the size of them. They're slightly offset. Got them on eBay for like 100 of them for $10 or something like that. They're just little guys. Then I'm using my specialty homemade dough balls. It's hamburger, breadcrumbs, garlic powder, and cheese. And you roll little tiny balls about the size of your fingernail and cook them in the oven until they get kind of solid. Best bait in the world there that I've ever found for catching a lot of different species. So we got a bite. Haha, let's pop the top. He's a little fighter. Couldn't be that big though, huh? He's a fighter. What we got? He's just staying down, staying down. Oh, he's a big fat bullhead. Maybe a 4-pounder, huh? Whoa. Boy, he's just puking everywhere. Blah, blah, blah. Been eating that chum. Call him the re-chumulator. Let's get the magic hook out guy. If you don't have one, get one. Alright, see if this rod will hold him. Oh yeah, no problem. Alright, yeah. Probably 3-pound bullhead. Alright. What's that magic word? You don't know. It's contact. Contact. Yeah, contact. That'll get you loose. Use your little magic hook outer. Reet, reet, reet. Uh-oh. Fish, fish, fish on. Here we go. Let's pop the top. Bullhead, fat bullhead. Looks like a bullhead. Oh, he's a fat little bullhead. Right for the smoker, huh? You ever had smoked bullhead? Not too shabby. Alright, let's get him back in the water, huh? Where's the magic stick? There it is. If you don't have a magic stick, you should get one. Alright, what's the magic word? Contact! No. Contact! No. Contact! There. Paratrooper! Alright, there's a fishy. On a horrible day like this. The wind is blowing. I think we got another little antsy bintsy one on there. Yeah, we'll pop a top. Putting a good bend on the rod. Might be another pukinator. The pukinator. You was puking everywhere. Yeah, about the same size as the pukinator. Let's have a look. No, he's not as big as the pukinator. That's one for the smokehouse, huh? Nah. Alright, Mr. Hook Out, Magic Hook Out. See how this works. It's on there and you squeeze the handle. Wheat. And contact! Don't catch your fingers and don't hurt the fish so much. Magic Hookinator. Alright. Boinkinator, he's staying down, pulling some drag. What could it be? Put a pretty good bend on the rod. Channel cat, huh? Bigger bullhead. The pukinator. We'll call this guy the boinkinator. Oh, he's putting a good old tussle up. He does not want to come up. Whatever it is. Staying down, staying down. Boy, it's nasty out here. Didn't want to come up. Must be pretty good size. Maybe biggest of the day. Come on up here. We want to see you. Gotta blow that rod. Pew! Oh yeah. That's much nicer. A big bullhead. 5-6-pound bullheads. Let's see if we'll have any problem getting him up out of the water. Alright, here he comes. That's a good one. Let's see. Gotta go 5 pounds. Get Mr. Magic Hook out. Ha ha ha. That's how that works. Whoa, boat is bouncing. What a big old fat bullhead. They get so much bigger than this. Come on. Read it. Hi-ya! Contact. Alright, that's going to do it for me. Show everybody that you can catch fish on a nasty, windy day. It's cold. It was raining. Now it's just cold and windy. But tight lines, everybody. Remember, I'm out here fishing in the sticks, so you don't have to.